In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete in Facebook Messenger. We will walk through it slowly so you can follow along on your own phone without any confusion. First, open Messenger on your Android or iPhone. When the app loads, you should see your list of recent conversations, each with a profile picture on the left and a message preview on the right. If you have many chats, you might need to wait a moment for them all to appear. Once everything finishes loading, you are ready to pick which conversation you want to remove. Now, find the conversation you want to delete. Scroll up or down through your inbox until you see the name or group that you no longer need. Take a second to double-check the contact photo and the last message preview so you do not delete the wrong thread by accident. If you are unsure, you can tap the chat, read a few messages, then go back to the main list and choose again. Once you have the right chat, press and hold the chat. Place your finger on that conversation and keep it there for a moment until a menu appears on screen. On most phones, this long press opens a small panel near the bottom with options like archive, mute, and delete. If nothing happens, lift your finger and try pressing and holding again, making sure you are on the conversation row, not on the profile picture. From there, tap delete. A new prompt will appear on your screen asking if you are sure you want to delete this conversation. This prompt is there to help prevent accidental removal, since once you confirm, the chat usually does not come back. Take a quick look at the contact name shown in this prompt so you know you are deleting the correct conversation before you continue. Next up, tap delete again to confirm. When you do this, Messenger will immediately remove the entire thread from your inbox view. You will see that the conversation disappears from the list and the remaining chats move up to fill the space. There is no extra save button here, so once you confirm, the change is already applied to your account. At this point, the chat will be removed from your Messenger inbox. You will no longer see that conversation in your main list, and you will not receive new message notifications for it unless the other person sends a fresh message that starts a new visible thread. Many beginners think the messages are gone for everyone, but they are only gone for you. Now for a couple of important notes. Deleting a chat removes it from your account only. It does not delete the conversation from the other person's inbox, so they can still see everything that was sent. Also, deleted chats usually cannot be restored, so always double-check the contact and the conversation before you confirm the deletion. You have now learned how to delete an entire chat in Facebook Messenger from your own inbox, safely and on purpose. If this helped you clean up your Messenger, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple walkthroughs like this.